We're going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol GYOG. I've seen this one talked about a lot over on the MVP board. If you go to investorshangout.com, go up to the top right hand corner and type in MVP. And in the search results, click on Investors Hangout MVP. I like BB stock. I seen him posting about this one quite a bit. I believe it was him. Don't make me look too wrong here. Yes, okay. But I seen him posting on this one yesterday. Let's go back on the 4th, on the 3rd. So right here, GYOG 0013 high a day, only 12 million shares. Imagine real volume. I remember seeing this post. I remember seeing that post, and that's why I seen this ticker. I want to check this out. So that was on the 3rd, right? And okay, so that was over here, guys. So check this out. So right here, even on the 30th. So let's go a day before that. The 30th, right here. So if you're watching this, GYOG, boom, big volume coming in. And then I like BB, got some lots of volume out of nowhere. Is that what it says? Out of nowhere, right there. I like BB, 12:30, 4 p.m. Congratulations. I mean, like I said, over here on investorshangout.com, go up here to the MVP board. And once you find that, here you go. Boom, on the 30th, right here. He talks about it. He's got some in there. Lots of volume out of nowhere. That volume must have hit his radar, and then boom, 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 right off. So that went all the way from his call. Whatever. I'm gonna go on to close because that's right. That's after the close. So the close would have been on that day at 0008, and you hit a high of 0040. I don't know about you, but if I even see 100% gain, that is awesome. 50% is great. I mean, that's even awesome anywhere. When you get into OTCs, that's awesome. You're talking multi-100% gains here. Congratulations. And we haven't covered this one before until now. It looked like that you had a reset here. Everything reset a little bit. The volume's picking back up. Hey, I still think GYOG has room to run right now. And I'm going to say that 0030. Joe, can you pull up anything on this? Why was there a sudden spike in volume?
Their last press release was on 11/14/2016, and it was a Green Energy Enterprises Incorporated corporate update. So Green Energy Enterprises announces that it has entered a settlement agreement to settle a significant amount of its debt. The corporation is working towards our debt elimination initiative. We look forward to our market capitalization rebounding to reflect the strength and value of the company. So on August 18, 2016, V2IP Incorporated, a Florida registered foreign corporation, was granted by the Circuit Court of the 10th Judicial Circuit in and for Polk County, Florida Civil Division, an agreed order approving settlement agreement and stipulation for dismissal against Green Energy Enterprises. To settle a collection action against the defendant under the terms of the settlement agreement, defendant will issue and exchange securities for debt with the plaintiff. Plaintiff owns bona fide claims against defendant in the aggregate amount of $400,000.00. Plaintiff has agreed to the settlement and believes that it to be sufficiently fair. Defendant's board of directors has considered the settlement and has resolved that its terms and conditions are fair and it's in the best interest of defendants and its stockholders. So, I mean, they had that right there. It was announced on the 11th. So, I mean, maybe they're just getting things back together. Because, I mean, when you're a company and you're going through something like this, you just kind of have to get through it, and then here we go. So they have different things, too, about Green Energy Enterprises. They're based out of Jacksonville, Florida. The corporation owns and operates 2 flight and drone training schools, Ascent Aviation and Atlantic Aviation. So they have them 2 companies right there where they're the drone flight training schools. I mean, that's different. I've never really heard of a training school for flights, but for drones. But
Right.
when you think about how big it's getting, and then I'm sure that it would be something that would grow because you have there's actually going to be employment for that, or it's at least increasing. Then the other one right here is Hydroponic Grow Store. So GYOG owns Grow Your Own Greens Incorporated, a hydroponic grow store in Colorado, and is an auxiliary service provider to the legal medical marijuana industry and organic agricultural industry. The company sells everything needed to facilitate a one-stop shop for full hydroponic grow systems, equipment, supplies, and nutrients. We offer trimmer rentals, installation, and delivery. No job is too small or large for our knowledgeable staff to handle. Feel free to give us a call. All right, so they basically own them two stores.
All right.
So they own a flight operations training school and a hydroponic grow store. So I mean, then we can go through the filings as you know how it goes.
Yeah. All right. GYOG. If you got anything to share on this, head over to investorshangout.com. Let us know.